Yeah, hi, I'm still Leland and still a mouthpiece. So here we go. The next product that we're showing here in the booth is from Amped. Amped is all made in America by that Russian guy I was telling you about, Boris, from the USSR. But he's back in the USSA, and his products are a preamplifier that has a phono preamp built into it, a bunch of different digital inputs, and really, honestly, fortunately, no Bluetooth because, I mean, who needs Bluetooth when you got a high-end preamp? You know, there's just no reason to run Bluetooth signal into really ultra high-quality electronics. The amplifier is called the 2400. It's 2 by 400 watts. That's right. Incredibly well made, as I said, in the USA. He's got a couple of new products he's working on here. They are home theater products. It's going to be a 2 by 250. A 3 by 250, that means 3 amplifiers by 250, and a 4 by 250, which is 4 amplifiers by 250. As soon as we get that IC chip that we've been hunting for a year, we'll get these products into production and get them out there. You can check out Amped, AMPED, or as he says, amped.com, or again, JMB Distribution, and there we are. This is Leland signing off from the Mile High. We got good beer, and I know people tell me we got good weed, and if you talk to the right people, I guess mushrooms are legal. Talk to you later. Out.